So we recently got this question, should I be reposting my social content? And the answer is yes. If you are putting any effort into creating good social media content, you should absolutely be reposting to make sure it gets maximum visibility and engagement. The way the algorithms work on social media is that, chances are your audience that you want to see it might not always see it. So number one, the best practice might be to share a piece of content. Let's say in the morning, I want to share this at like 10 a.m. And then I want to reshare it a little bit later or repost it. So we see people often repost within just a couple hours after they post. So let's say they're posting in the morning at 10 a.m. The way I can do this with Assembly is actually to schedule out this auto repost. So I can repost this from the Assembly account effectively 4 hours, 1 hour, 12 hours later. So let's say I want to do that 4 hours later. And I can even write a caption like, in case you missed this, take a look, right? So that's one way you can schedule reposting a couple hours later. Another way we see companies often repost is by taking a look at the last month's worth of data or even last 3 months. And really from here, you can see, you want to resurface the content that did well and performed. So you'll often see by, impressions or by engagement, what was working well, what didn't. And basically from here, you can kind of take each post and see what's worth reposting. This might be one of them. This is another one. And maybe you want to put a spin on it. You can basically come into these URLs, click on the LinkedIn posts, and actually just go ahead and reschedule these back into Assembly as well, where you're either resharing it or you're actually resharing with some different commentary and captions. And so those are kind of the two ways we've seen reposting really work. We always recommend that companies are always testing and iterating on what their reposting strategy is. But TLDR, if you are creating content that you're putting a lot of effort into, you should absolutely be reposting.